Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I will show you the top 5 Chrome extensions that can make ChatGPT 10 times powerful and you can use it anywhere on the web. The first extension we are going to use is ChatGPT. Usually ChatGPT is not aware of events after 2021, but we can make use of this extension to get relevant and latest results directly from the web. You can choose different options like the region, time, and number of results you must display. This comes in handy to not check the results constantly from the web. The second extension we are going to see is ChatGPT for search engines. With the help of this extension, we can use ChatGPT right alongside our browser. When we search our queries in Google, it gives the results from ChatGPT along with the results from web. With this, you no need to click on every link to find what's best answer. Instead, if you like the ChatGPT's reply, you can use it to solve your query. The next extension on our list is ChatGPTwriter.ai. With this, you can write entire emails and messages using ChatGPT.ai. Just install the extension and click the thunder-shaped symbol and mention how you want to reply to this email. This extension automatically writes the entire email for you. Just make sure to read once to confirm it is related to your mail. The next extension is called FancyGPT. With this, you can transform your ChatGPT conversations into visually appealing images, searchable PDFs, and text files, making it easy to save and share your favorite snippets with others. You can choose different themes and styles, and you can share the chat with others, which is visually appealing. This extension summarizes entire YouTube video and gives the summary with the help of ChatGPT. This extension is called YouTube Summary GPT. Once you install this extension, play any YouTube video. On the right side, there will be a transcription and summary tab. Click on the ChatGPT symbol, and it will open the ChatGPT and gives you the entire summary of the video. I have given all the links in the comment. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated to make more amazing contents for you. Thank you guys.